Welcome you in the bio class. I am going to explain you reproductive system of cockroach, organ system of the body which take part in the production of young ones of their own kind is called reproductive system. In the cockroach, sexes are separate. There are male cockroach and female cockroach. Male cockroach has male reproductive system and female cockroach has female reproductive system. So here you have to study the male reproductive system. Male and female cockroach can be identified on the basis of their morphological features. As in the male cockroach, anal style is present, but in the female cockroach, anal style is absent. Anal style. So it is present in the only male cockroach. So it will help you to identify either cockroach is male or female. Male reproductive system of cockroach consists of one pair of testes. First is there one pair of testes. Vas deferens ejaculatory duct utricular and phallic gland. So there are glands. Two glands are, one is utricular and second is phallic. Utricular and phallic glands. So these are the parts of male cockroach. In the male reproductive system of cockroach consists of a pair of testes, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, utricular and phallic glands. Now testis, it is the structure of male reproductive system of cockroach. It is the testis. It is three-lobed structure. Each testis of the cockroach is made up of three lobes. There are two testes. One is left, other is right. Two testes are there. Both testes are made of three lobes. So three-lobed structures are. These are present in the body just beneath the 4th to 6th abdominal segment. Each testis consists of 30 to 40 transparent follicles. In the testis, 30 to 40 transparent follicles are present. Testes produce the sperm. Sperms are produced in the testis. Sperms are male gamete. So these are produced in the testis. Now, it is connected by a small duct. So the small duct, this is the small duct, it is known as vas deferens. So these ducts are vas deferens. The vas deferens is thin, thread-like tube, and both vas deferens, left and right, to join form ejaculatory duct. So when they are going to join, they will form ejaculatory duct. So this structure is the ejaculatory duct. External opening of this ejaculatory duct is called male genital opening. So this is the male genital opening. Other name of this male genital opening is gonopore. Gonopore. This gonopore present between 9th and 10th abdominal sterna. Along with this gonopore, gonapophysis, that is phyllomeres, titilators, and pseudopenis are there. So these structures are helping in copulation. Now there are two glands. This gland is the utricular gland. Other is this one, it is the phallic gland. So two glands are, one is utricular and other is phallic. So first you see utricular gland. This is the structure of utricular gland. The utricular gland has a number of blindly ending tubular structure. So this blindly ending tubular structures, peripheral tubules. So here a large number of tubules are present. So these are the peripheral tubules, and in the center there is this is the central tubule, and just very close to the central tubule there are bulbous seminal vesicles. So seminal vesicles are present here, seminal vesicles, and these seminal vesicles store the sperm. Beneath or just under this utricular gland and ejaculatory there is a phallic gland. So phallic gland's correct function is unknown. So this I told the different parts of male reproductive system of cockroach. So in the male reproductive system, primary organ is testis. The testis produces sperm, male gamete. That male gamete from the testis through the vas deferens are coming into the seminal vesicle, and from here that will pass into the ejaculatory duct. Then through the gonopore it is deposited in the female cockroach.